Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the app, tap on Devices, and here you should see your Honor Watch GS Pro. Tap on it to select it. On this page, tap on More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on Unpair Device, and tap on Unpair. Your watch will disappear from the devices. You can close the app, and you can also check your Bluetooth settings just in case, and see if you see any watches right here on the list of previously connected devices. As you can see, we don't have anything, but if it was here, you can tap on the settings icon next to it, and tap on Forget, then Confirm to remove it. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.